Hi, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to answer reverse percentage questions. These reverse percentage questions, they are quite popular in the exam, and mainly they come in the 11 plus exam or in the GCSE level exam as well, because these are worded questions, so they are quite popular. So now what I will be doing in the next few videos, I will be uploading more questions like this one, like worded questions. So hopefully this way you will be able to understand these questions more easily. So here, if you look at the first question, it says a shop sells books for 20% discount, right? So what is the discount? 20%. And she buys a book and pays £10. How much does book normally costs? So what we have to do, basically we have to find reverse percentage. So what we do is we can just write here, like the way we start this question is discount. So what we have to do, we have to find the discount. So discount, that is discount, I'm just writing here, discount price uh, is normal normal price, okay, less 20%. So then less 20%. So what it is, normal price less 20%, right? Less 20%, because this is the discount price, right? Okay. Now okay. What I'm going to do here is that then we have to find, let me do it this way. Okay. So 80% of normal price. What is 80% of normal price? That is obviously £10. That's what she paid. So, so what we do, we write here, sorry, it was different color. Let me do it with this color. Okay. So what we do here is that we can write, so 80% of normal price. So no, so what we do, we write, so 80% of normal price. And what is that? We know that that's £10. So you see, all this information I got from the question. It is in the question. So 1%, you know what we have to do? So we have to find 1%. So 1% of the normal price, 1% of the normal price. Okay, so you know how we find 1%? What we do? We do 10, which was the price which he paid, divided by 80. You know where the 80 has come from? When you take away 20 from 100%, so you get 80, right? So when you do it, what do you get? Your multiplier will be, when you divide it, your multiplier will be 0.125, right? So this will be our multiplier. We call it multiplier. So the normal price. So in order to find the normal price, so what we do, we write here. So the normal price. When we say normal price means the price before the discount. So the normal price will be 125. You know, sorry, 0.125, 125. Okay, remember this is 0 point. Okay, let me rub it because it looks little bit messy here. Okay, now I'm just going to write again here. So it will be 0.125, 0.125, and we times it by 100. So what we get, the new price, that will be £12.50. So this was the price which was before the discount, £12.50. So what I will recommend you, you can copy this question and you can practice it later on. And I'm sure if you are struggling with it later on, but definitely you will be able to understand it. Now I'm trying to answer the question number 2. It says Kennard gets 5%. He gets 5% wage rise, and his new wage is £126 per week. So this is the price. This is the wage after the wage rise of 5%. So what was the Kennard's wage before the wage rise? Okay, again, this is a reverse percentage question. So how we do it is, So Kennard's wage before the so new wage. So what we do is we have to find the wage, right? What was the Kennard's wage before the wage rise, right? So what was the new wage? The new wage was the new. What was the new wage? So what we do, we new wage was, we can write here, new wage was old wage plus 5%. Obviously, that was the 5%. That was the increase, wage increase. So what we do then, we write obviously the for example, the old wage was 100%. Obviously, that was it, and plus on top of that, he gets full another 5%. So what he gets now, he gets, when you add them, you get 105%, right? So what we do is 105%. So 1%, 1%. Now we have to find, when we add them, this is percent. So what happens, after when you add 5% plus 100%, so you get 105%. So this will give us total wage, which was 126 pound. So this was the wage after the basic wage plus the 5% wage rise. So now what we have to do, again, we have to do, what we have to find 1% of the old wage. So what we have to do, we have to find 1% of the old wage, right? So 1% of the old wage is, what is that? 126 divided by, this time what we have to do, divide by 105, because that was the 105%. So what we get 1 pound 20, right? Right. So old wage, what was the old age? What we do, we so 1 pound 20 is the multiplier. Remember, this is the multiplier. So what we do, we times 1.2 pound with 100. So when you time 1.2 with point 2 with 100, so what we get? We get 120%, 120 pound. So this was the Kinnar's wage before the wage rise. So hope you like this video, but I know that some of you might be thinking, oh, it's quite difficult, we couldn't understand it. What I will recommend you, there are two, three options I can tell you. One is, obviously, first of all, note down these questions and try to do them a second time when you will do by yourself. Then it will start making sense to you. This is one tip. Second tip, which I can give you, is like, keep on watching my videos, because every day almost at 8:30 p.m. I upload maths videos. So you can watch my videos as well. I'm sure the future videos will be again about the reverse percentage questions, right? And the third thing which I will recommend you is that if you are not sure how to answer this one, you can send me a message, or you can go on Google, and there are questions. You will find so many reverse percentage questions. Try to get those questions and try to work them out, and I'm sure you will be able to learn it. It's not difficult topic. It is one of topic which is little bit tricky. I know that some of the children, they will struggle with it. I'm telling you right now, but trust me, if you keep on practicing, download some practice papers where reverse percentage questions are there. So I'm sure you will be fine with that. Okay, but keep on watching my videos, because next videos will be about, hopefully they will be about reverse percentage questions. They are, if not the tomorrow one, but in the near future. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, thank you. Bye.